I'm behind it. Taking 440 east. 440 east on 530.
35, 10 4.
430. No, it's right for the end of 440.
Come up on Springer. Speed 60. Closing in on him. He's weaving out on the road.
10 4. Are we clear here? 63.
10 4.
Calling unit 1063 for Adam 35 eastbound 440.
Speed's up to 90. Trying to clear traffic. He's weaving him back forward.
10 4.
Just keep out position by weaving back forward.
35, 10 4.
10 under rate.
Just slam on the brakes.
Probably you just blamed on his brakes.
One black male driving. He just attempted to hit me. I'm in front of him now. We're doing 70, coming up on the 3.
Going 70, coming up on the 3.
What's traffic?
No traffic.
I didn't understand what you said.
I got secondary alcohol. We're down 10 right now.
36, 10 4.
He's heading towards the fire truck, just sitting on the shoulder.
You can direct this voice message with a command by pressing the voice button on the steering wheel. You can say things like listen, reply, or to call center say call. To call someone else say things like call John Smith, call John Smith.
10 4, speed 70, no traffic.
He's about to wreck out. He's about to wreck out.
188.
Alright.
Send message to John Smith or send message to 206
10 4, copy back. 440 east on 4.
to launch personal assistant line.
No traffic. 90 miles per hour.
No traffic, 90 miles per hour.
You can get up there and end it. Get up there and end it.
He's braking hard. Alright, Tom primary, he's in the wall.
10 4, copy the wall.
Show me your hand! Show me your fucking hand! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get on your... Quit moving. Get that on.
I got it.
Quit moving your fucking arm! Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving!
Down! Get back down! 440. 4 lanes. You got him? 15. Let me lock him.
It doesn't matter if they're locked. Get them up, get in the back car, move the stuff to the road. Breathe in.
35, 29,
Watch your head.
35, so far, copy 1015 through 239.
Yeah, 10 units on scene. As soon as we can clear the net, y'all go ahead and call it. Let's get the road open.
1064, number 3 lanes blocked, starts at 11.
36, 10-4.
Camera restart.
36, 10-4. All units, 1064, 264.
All ways open.
Got 1016, move to the right shoulder.
10-4.
Put it down. Alright, can we get a 1011 started for this 1016? Adam Nor King, 87 Victor. Adam Nor King, 87 Victor, and that's 1016.
Yeah, he had left with his tab. I don't know if y'all heard him that over the traffic bill.
Listen, I was really curious about those.
Roll back here there to get this 1016. Roll back. You get pictures, Tyler. Do it. You get pictures. Alright.